Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add show notes on Whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add show notes on Whatnot. So show notes, it lets you display important information to viewers before and during your Whatnot livestream. You can use them for auction rules, give information and details. So you need to go to the Sellers Hub in the bottom side of the screen. Some regions support it, some regions do not. So keep that in mind. Select your upcoming show, tap yellow show notes sticky in the top left corner, type or paste the information you want viewers to see, and then put post. Once posted, the viewers see a minimalized sticky note that they can tap to read. You can add a note before going live or while the stream is already running. So I'll go into one stream now, of course, and show you how the note looks. It'll be in the top or bottom, top or left or right corner, so you can check it there. And I'll not be talking because the person in the stream will probably be talking. So.
Où il y a une dresseuse. Les stands de ligue, tu parles?
So this one didn't have it.
D, welcome. Yeah, this one's
This
our
one you
most
can see on the left
expensive
side of
one
the screen.
tonight.
And that's the sticky note and how it will look like. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.